The FOTILE HYZK32-E3-B Combi-Steam Oven is a versatile appliance that seamlessly integrates steaming, baking, roasting, and air frying in one unit, making it perfect for those who want to save space without sacrificing functionality. Equipped with dual-zone temperature control and 360-degree convection, this oven ensures even cooking with precise temperature regulation, enhancing the overall cooking experience and delivering consistent results. With its 4 steam modes and precision humidity control, the oven optimally maintains moisture levels, preserving the natural nutrients of food while preventing it from becoming soggy. Featuring 50 preset cooking menus, this oven simplifies meal preparation by providing specific programs for various dishes, allowing users to effortlessly explore a wide range of recipes with guaranteed success. The Hygienic design includes a food-grade stainless steel cavity and a ceramic-coated back panel, which are both easy to clean, while the steam vent and external water tank add convenience and practicality. The triple-layer glass window remains cool to the touch and offers clear visibility, and the control knob allows smooth transitions between Celsius and Fahrenheit, enhancing usability and safety.